तेरा है एहसान, रोज नमाजें और
Hello and assalamu alaikum. I hope all of you are having a good day. If not, then this video will make your day good. Today my mother is going to be making chicken vegetable spring roll. It's a very special recipe for Ramadan and I hope you guys will like it. Let's get started with the recipe. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Firstly, you're going to slice some cabbage. Then you will take some sliced green bell pepper and red bell pepper. Then you're going to take some boiled and shredded chicken and some sliced green onion and some sliced carrots. And then you're going to take half teaspoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon white pepper powder, according to taste salt, 1 tablespoon soy sauce and 2 tablespoon ketchup. And now in a preheated karahi you're going to add some oil and you're going to fry everything one by one. And now for assembling the rolls, you are going to add some water to some all-purpose flour and you are going to mix it until it becomes a thick paste. And then for the spring rolls, you are going to take some tortillas and you're going to spread that paste we made earlier. And then you will add the stuffing of the spring roll and you will roll it. After rolling the spring rolls, in a preheated karahi you will add some oil and you will deep fry the spring rolls until their color becomes golden brown. And now as you can see, the spring rolls are done and they are ready to be served. This is a very good and very yummy recipe for especially iftars in Ramadan, and I hope you guys will enjoy this recipe and like it. And as always, like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and take care. Allah Hafiz. Hello and assalamu alaikum. I hope all of you are having a good day. If not, then this video will make your day good. Today my mother is going to be making pakoda. We are going to make 4 types of pakoras. All the methods are same, but the vegetables are changed. Firstly, you will slice a potato, and then you will slice onions, and then you will slice an eggplant or bangan, and you will dip it in salt and water so that its color doesn't change. And then you are going to make small pieces of a cauliflower. And now your vegetables should look like this. Now for the batter, you are going to take 2 cup besan, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 teaspoon crushed red chili, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon chaat masala powder, 1 tablespoon rai methi, fenugreek, and mix it well. After mixing, you will add half cup water, and then you will make a batter. Now once the batter is done, you are going to add 1 pinch baking soda. And then you will dip each of the vegetables in the batter, and you're going to fry them until their color turns golden brown, and enjoy the video further. Now all the pakoras are done, and this is a very great recipe for Ramadan, and I hope you guys will like the recipe once you make it at your home. And like, share and subscribe if you want. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Hello and assalamu alaikum. I hope all of you are having a good day. If not, then this video will make your day good. Today my mother is going to be making samosas in a very easy way for Ramadan. Let's see how is it made. Bismillah Rahmanir Rahim. Firstly, you will need 2 tablespoon oil, and you will preheat a karahi and add the oil. Then you will add the cumin seeds, half teaspoon. And then you will add half kg boiled potatoes, which are mashed. Now you will add 1 teaspoon red chili powder and 1 teaspoon or according to taste salt. Then you will add 1 teaspoon crushed red chili and 1 teaspoon dried fenugreek or methi. After some shallow frying, you will add half cup fresh coriander leaves, and then you will mix it well. Then we are going to take 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 4 tablespoons of water. You are going to mix it, and remember, this is only to join the samosa. You will make it into a thick paste, and then you will take tortillas. You will cut the tortillas in half. And then you will add the mixture we made, and then you will give it the shape of the samosa, like a cone shape. And then you will add the mixture of the samosa, and then again you will spread that mixture of all-purpose flour we made to join it. And now you will fold all of the samosas one by one. Now our samosas are folded, and now you will preheat the karahi and add oil, and you will deep fry them until their color turns golden brown. Now after some more frying, your samosas will be ready to be served. And as you can see, they look so crispy. And as you can see, they're looking so crispy and yummy. I hope you guys will like the recipe once you make it at your home, and don't forget to subscribe. And as always, take care. Allah Hafiz.